Oxford Primary Skills. Reading and Writing Level 2 by Helen Casey. Published and copyright Oxford University Press, 2009. Unit 1. Star School. Listening 1. Read and listen.
The Studio School is a special school for actors and singers. The assembly hall is big. There are lots of chairs. Look at those children. They're actors. This is the canteen. There are lots of tables. It's lunchtime. That's the music room. Those pupils are singers. The school has got a computer room. It's a classroom. There are lots of computers. There's a library. There are lots of books in the library.